Has been an incident of road rage in Pune. A mentally unstable person takes control of state transport. For more, let's go across to our correspondent Megha Prasad. Megha, give us the latest details.
Well, the details that we have at this moment, Radham, is that apparently this incident has taken place a short while ago, in fact, around 7 to 8, between 7 to 8 this morning. And according to the details that we have at this moment, it seems that a mentally unstable person had kind of hijacked one of the state transport buses plying between Pune, Satara and back to Pune. It was hijacked from one of the bus depots at Swarg Gate in Pune. And the man had control over this bus for almost an hour, and he went on a wild rampage. He's hit people, and we've been told that around 7 to 8 people have been injured. Casualties are being feared at this moment. What we've been told, again, this is unconfirmed, is that 2 people might have died in this incident. And he went on a rampage, not only hitting people, but other vehicles, the dividers, smashing everything that came in the way of this bus. But at this moment, we do have a confirmation from the police that he's been apprehended by the Pune police. And now the investigation, these are preliminary ones, are on whether to find out whether this man was actually driving under the influence of alcohol or any other drugs, or is he mentally unstable, because these are the reports that are doing rounds. But these are very sketchy reports that we are getting from Pune at this moment.
Megha, also give us more details. What time did the incident take place? What time was this man apprehended?
The man has been apprehended just a short while ago, because the last report, in fact, we've received, which is just 10 to 15 minutes ago, says that he has been apprehended by Pune police. And exactly the time of the incident is something that we are still awaiting a confirmation on, but we have been given to believe that this has happened around 7 to 8 in the morning. But we are waiting for confirmation, and in fact waiting for confirmation on all the other details from the Pune police, because it seems that at this moment, they were they've all put their efforts together just to nab this person and to ensure that his wild run in the city can be stopped. So, we are expecting that there will be some sort of, information sharing with the media in a while. But it seems everything's going to be informal. There's no press conference or anything that is slated at this moment. But yes, we are waiting to hear from Pune police more on this incident, because right now they were only involved in trying to stop what was happening.
यूसुफ से
क्या हुआ था?
वो अंदर से बस आई, एक रिक्शा वाला किक मार के जोर से निकल गया, वो फकीर को धड़क दिया। मैं बोला धड़क क्यों दिया रिक्शा वाला ऐसे की के? फिर एकदम बस आई तो दूसरा बस रिक्शा वाले को उड़ाया। रिक्शा वाले को उड़ाने के बाद में फिर आया, मेरे गाड़ी को उड़ाया। गाड़ी को उड़ाने के बाद में मैं वो पत्थर के पास गिर गया। गिरने के बाद में मैं उठ के भागने लग गया, तो 2-3 जन रिक्शा वाले और 2-4 आदमी उसको पकड़ के खींचने लगे, तो भी वो सुना नहीं और गाड़ी इधर घुमाने लग गया। फिर हम अंदर भागे, अंदर भागने के फिर वो वापस इधर आके राइट में आया। राइट में आने के बाद में इधर देखा कटाड़ा दिख रहा था, फिर वो बाजू घुमाया। वो बाजू घुमाने के बाद में इंडिया का कोई रिक्शा वाले को उड़ाया उसने, फिर आगे निकल गया। हम अंदर भाग के चले गए।
कितने लोग जख्मी हो गए? क्या
ऐसा मेरे सामने तो मैं 5-6 देखा उधर कॉर्नर को
उड़ाया।
हाँ,
कितने गाड़ियाँ उड़ाया
उसने? उधर मेरे सामने 2 रिक्शा उड़ाया, और इधर बाद में मेरे हाथ गाड़ी आके उड़ाया। फिर आगे जाके इंडिया का गाड़ी उड़ाया, फिर रिक्शा उड़ाया, टेम्पो वाले उड़ाया।
अच्छा, ये कितने बजे का समय?
ये 7:45 से 7:30 के जमाने में पुष्टि थी।
क्या कहाँ जा रही?
वो एमटी गाड़ी थी बोले अंदर।
रिकामी गाड़ी?
हाँ, रिका गाड़ी थी, ड्राइवर वो नहीं था, दूसरा कोई तो लेके भाग के निकला बोले। हाँ, ऐसा मैंने सुना है।
बताइए।
शीतल पवार।
क्या करती तुम?
गाड़ी लगाती हूँ मेरा पक्की।
अच्छा, क्या हुआ था?
क्या एसटी आई इधर, लोगों को आया एसटी बस कार को।
कब हुआ ये?
8-8:15 बजे तक।
क्या कैसा माहौल?
बहुत हाँ, डरावना तो बहुत था।
अच्छा, क्या आपके थरथरा है?
हाँ, हम थरथरे घबराए थे, मेरे सामने हुआ ना सब।
अच्छा, क्या हुआ?
2-3 लोगों के पाय मुड़ गए, एक बुढ़ा तो फकीर था, और 2-4 रिक्शा थी, और 2 लड़कियां था इधर।